Next, we move on to the exercise problems, exercise 4.1. So, in that, first one is complete the last column of the table. Here, they give one equation in the one column and value of the x in the next column, and at the last column, we write this value of x should satisfy this equation or not. Okay, that in the last column we just write yes or no. So, first consider the equation x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here all LHS is x plus 3, RHS is 0. Consider LHS. Consider LHS is equal to x plus 3. So, here x value is 3. So, put x equal to 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. By comparing LHS and RHS, here LHS we get 6 but RHS is 0. So, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, that here x equal to 3 is not satisfied the given equation. So, that we write no. Now, consider the equation second, x plus 3 is equal to 0 and here x value is 0. Here x value is 0. Here LHS is x plus 3. So, put x equal to 0, that is 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. So, LHS is 3 but RHS is 0. So, here 3 not equal to 0, LHS is not equal to 0. So, that x is not a solution of the given equation, or this x value is not satisfy the given equation. So, that this is also no. The third equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the x value is minus 3. So, here LHS is, first consider LHS, x plus 3, put x value, it is minus 3 plus 3. So, one is minus 3, other one is plus 3, so that it will cancel out, we get 0. So, that is 3 minus 3 is 0. Here LHS we get 0 and RHS is also 0. So, that LHS is equal to RHS. So, here x is equal to minus 3 is satisfied the given equation. So, here we write this is yes. Okay. Like that you solve all the given problems in the table. Second one is check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So, here they given the equation and also they given the value of variable. Here variable is n is equal to 1. So, they given equation, also they given the value of variable. We have to check that. So, this value or the value of variable is satisfied the given equation or not, or this value is a solution to the given equation or not. We have to check that one. Okay. So, first we consider the LHS. Here LHS is n plus 5. Okay. Here n value is 1. So, put 1 in the place of n. So, 1 plus 5 is 6. So, now comparing the LHS and RHS. So, RHS is 90. So, that LHS is not equal to RHS. So, the n is equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. The second problem is 7n plus 15 is equal to 19. First consider the LHS. LHS is 7n plus 15. So, here the n value is minus 2. So, minus 2 plus 15. So, 7 2s are 14, here minus is there, minus into plus is minus, plus 15. So, minus 14 plus 15 we get 1. you can write like this, 15 minus 14. Okay, so 15 minus 14 is 1. So here RHS is 19. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So here n is equal to minus 2 is not a solution to the given equation. Okay, so just we check here, just substituting the value of variable, here variable is n, and check whether this value is solution or not. So like this you solve next problems. The third one is solve the following equation by trial and error method. So here by using the trial and error method we solve this equation. Here we have to find out here value of p by using trial and error method. Here the value of p is solution to the given equation. So how to find? So first consider LHS. So LHS is 5p plus 2. Put p is equal to 0. First here we put value of p is 0. So this is 5 into 0 plus 2. So here just I put the 0 in the place of p. 5 into 0 is 0 plus 2, we get 2. So here RHS is 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS. By comparing the LHS and RHS, LHS is not equal to RHS. So that this p is equal to 0 is not a solution to the given equation. Next, put p is equal to 1. Put p is equal to 1. The given equation, that is LHS is 5p plus 2. So p is 1 plus 2. Here I put 1 in the place of p. So 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. But RHS is 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS, because here LHS we get 7, RHS is 17. So not equal. So that here p is equal to 1 is not the solution of given equation. Now we put p is equal to 2. So here LHS is 5p plus 2. Put p is equal to 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So RHS is 70. So LHS is not equal to RHS, because it is 12, this is 17. 12 not equal to 7. So p is equal. So here p is equal to 2 is not a solution to the given equation. Now put p is equal to 3. LHS is 5p plus 2. So 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3 is 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. Here RHS is also 17. By comparing LHS and RHS, we get here also 17, here also 17. So that p is equal to 3 is a solution to the given equation. So by using trial and error method, here we found out the value of p or solution of the given equation. Here p is equal to 3 is a solution to the given equation.